On the day, I have Delsym, cold and cough. Daytime, it's a cough syrup, of course. I was feeling very sick with a cold last night, and it came down on me, and I took this. And I can't tell you the difference between daytime and nighttime. I can say that by taking this, it did help with my cough and my runny nose because I finally got some rest. So it's a health and wellness, and I don't really have any negative reviews about it, But if you've interacted with this product in any type of way, please share your opinions, whether positive or negative. Until next time, I'm going to see you later.